Hi everyone, it's Chandra, aka Teacher Gameroom, here with another video to show you how to use my hands-on activities. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more activities. Today I'm going to show you how to use my Making Fractions activity. What you'll need is scissors, glue, and crayons or markers. To start, first, your students will want to cut out the answer choices located at the bottom of the worksheet. Once they have done so, next what they'll want to do is they'll want to glue the answer choices onto the questions. There are 6 questions, so there are 6 answer choices. The students will have to look at the denominator to determine where to place the appropriate answer. Answers range from halves to eighths, so this makes a great activity for introduction to fractions. Lastly, the students will want to color each individual fraction circle. Each circle should represent the fraction that they glued at the beginning of the activity. They can use crayons, color pencils, or markers. This activity is great for homework, classwork, centers, or morning work. It's a great assessment for teachers as it provides a great visual, and it makes a great activity to leave with a substitute, and is very easy and very simple to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more activities.